Breaking wage jobs data out of the UK. Consumers here continuing to see their spending power eroded by feeble wage increases and the rising cost of living, despite unemployment falling to a 40-year low. Let's cut to the chase. Regular earnings rising 2% in the 3 months through May from a year earlier. Slightly up from April. That's worth noting. It is up from April, well, though, behind the rate of inflation. Last month, inflation up by 2.9% year on year. As a result, real pay, and this is the big takeaway, fell by 0.5%, and that figure could turn increasingly negative as CPI pushes past 3%, which is, of course, driven by the decline in sterling since the Brexit vote over a year ago. Pay, though, remains subdued, even though demand for labour is healthy. Unemployment, by the way, fell by 64,000, taking the jobless rate to 4.5%. That's the Bank of England's equilibrium rate. Employment climbed 175,000, the most since the end of 2015, to a record 32 million. The number of unemployed people per vacancy fell to a record low 1.9. So you'd have to say these figures underscore the dilemma that split the Bank of England over whether to raise interest rates. Let's get more